So, paano nga ba gumawa ng e-travel ngayong December 2025? So, sa mga pauwi po ng Pilipinas ngayong buwan ng Disyembre from Saudi to Manila. So, again, search natin sa Google yung e-travel.gov.ph. Tapos, click po natin itong click here to sign in. And then, ito na po, e-travel. So, enter na po natin yung ating email address and password. Tapos login. So ako po ay meron ng account dito sa e-travel. So click po natin itong new travel declaration. Again, click new travel declaration. And dito po sa for me, current user or for other family member, select po natin yung for me and air dahil tayo po ay mag-aeroplano. So next, piliin po natin itong arrival dahil tayo po ay pauwi ng Pilipinas or entering the Philippines. Sa mga pabalik po ng ibang bansa ay piliin niyo po yung departure leaving the Philippines. Click continue. So new travel declaration. So travel details, Philippine arrival via air. So purpose of travel, tayo po ay OFW. Traveler type, tayo po ay aircraft passenger. So flight information, name of airline. So ako po ay Oman Air. Hanapin ko po dito yung Oman Air. So next, flight number. So yung flight number po nating lagay dito ay yung from Muscat, Oman to Manila. So 843. And the next origin, kung saang bansa po tayo galing mga kabayan. Ako po ay galing ng Saudi Arabia. Ayan po. So next, airport of origin. So King Khalid International Airport. So next, departure or date of departure. Yung ating pong pizza, yung ating flight ay December 3. With transit connecting flight, yes. Country of transit, so Oman. So next, airport of transit, Muscat, Oman. Next, date of transit, December 3. And destination, Ninoy International Airport, Terminal 1. And date of arrival is December 3. And next, destination upon arrival in the Philippines, so residence. So same as permanent current country of residence. So Central, Region 7, Central Visayas, Bohol, Katigbian. Ayan po. So bali, next po natin. So, countries work visited and transited in the last 30 days. Wala po. Have you had any history of exposure to a person who is sick? So, no. Have you been sick in the past 30 days? No. And then click next. So, baggage declaration. And then po nakalagay, all persons and baggage are subject to search at any time. Yan po. So, general declaration. Basahin lang po natin kung may oras pa tayo mga kabayan. And then click next. So other travel details. So ayan. Click no na po natin. So for customs, total amount of goods purchased and or acquired abroad. So piso. Nagiging po dito yung amount. So Philippine currency and or in Philippine monetary instrument. So, foreign currency, gambling, cosmetic, injust drugs, no. Firearms, no. Alcohol, no. Foodstuffs, no. Mobile phones, no. Mask, no. Jewelry, gold, no. Other goods, no. Click next. Mobile phones. For customs declaration, attach signature. Signature. Click next. So family members, try ko pong hindi mag-add. Next. So okay lang pala kung hindi mag-add ng family members. Kung natin kindly double check the information before submitting. Click submit. Yan, congratulations, tayo po ay successful sa pag-register sa e-travel mga kabayan.